Adaptations of The Poison Dart Frog, edited and illustrated by Ibtihal Iftikhar. Marvel at the colorful yet deadly animal's looks. Let's see the poison dart frog's family. Kingdom Animalia. Class Amphibia. Order Anura. Family Dendrobatidae. Let's see the different colors and outfits the frogs have to offer us. Time for a froggy fashion show. A round of applause for the golden poison dart frog. Here comes the blue poison dart frog. And now for the pink poison dart frog. Yes. We welcome with grace the strawberry poison dart frog. Caution, do not eat it. And last but not the least, the colorful rainbow poison dart frog. Wonders of the poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is a wonder and a marvel. It has many characteristics that help it survive in the dangerous forest area. Of predators it has only one, that is, the Lemidorphis epinephrylus. More threatening to the frog is the disappearing of its rainforest habitat and human hunting. Let's see how the frog adapts to its harsh rainforest environment. But first, let's know more about its environment. Where does the poison dart frog live? Answer: the rainforests of South America. More about rainforests. Rainforests have a hot and wet climate. It rains almost every afternoon. It rains more than 2000 ml every year. The temperatures vary from 45 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius throughout the year. This temperature variation is perfect for the working of the poison dart frog. Rainforests are home to more than 80% of all insects and more than 18,000 different types of plants. Adaptations of the poison dart frog. The poison dart frog has many unusual adaptations. I could give a long list here, but let's see them in detail in the next slides. Defense. The poison dart frog produces a very harmful poison on its skin. The poison is so toxic that one drop of it could kill 5 men. The golden poison dart frog is the most poisonous of all. However, poison dart frogs are unable to inject the poison like snakes, so it only works as a defense. The poison is used by hunter-gatherers for poisoning their blow darts. Camouflage. The poison dart frog has 2 methods of camouflage, one because of its size and the other because of its color. Let's look at both of them in the next slides. Camouflage by size. The poison dart frog is really tiny. It's really hard to believe that a tiny frog could be so poisonous, but it just is. It is hardly 2 centimeters in size. But this tiny size helps it hide amidst grass and leaves. Thus, this tiny size is really beneficial for camouflage, and it's also really cute. Camouflage by color. The poison dart frog has colorful skin to warn predators of its poison. The colors also help it blend in its colorful forest environment. Thus, the colors on the poison dart frog help it for defense and also for camouflage. Thermal adaptations. The poison dart frogs are so much adapted to the hot and wet climate of South America that it can't live anywhere else. As we have seen previously, the temperatures of the rainforest are perfect for the frogs working. It also likes the rainy climate and cannot live if the daily rainfall is checked. Body features. As we already know, the poison dart frog has poisonous skin which helps it to survive. But the poison dart frog also has another body feature that helps it survive in its forest home. It has suction cups on its feet. This helps it find the perfect home and breeding spot and is also important for its survival. Food. The poison dart frog eats poisonous insects and grubs. The poison is then stored in the skin mucus. The frog is very good at defense, hence it has more accessibility to food and shelter. Escape from predator. The poison dart frog has only one predator as such, that is, the Lemidorphis epinephrylus. The snake is the only one immune to the frog's poison. The tadpoles and metamorphoses have many more predators as the poison is not completely developed. So how does the frog keep itself safe from its predator? Through camouflage. Also, the frog is really speedy and can jump far, so it can easily escape when danger is approaching. Life cycle of the poison dart frog. Frog lays eggs, hatches into tadpoles, grows into metamorphosis, and again grows into frog. The life cycle of the frog is just like that of other frogs, but the tadpoles and young frogs are taken care of by their parents and protected, unlike other frogs. Hope you had fun and got to know more about these marvelous frogs. The end.